Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a glass painting and I have chosen this bar to draw. I'm putting the glass slide over it. You can also use glass sheets. Now I'm putting sellotapes to fix it in a position, and it's must. You have to do it. Now it's time to outline the bird, and I'm going to use a golden liner. You can use any kind of liner, golden, silver, black, whatever you want, but I prefer the golden one. So let's start. You have to do it carefully. Now it's completely dried up. For coloring the head of the bird, I'm using ultramarine blue, sea blue and white. And with this sharp needle, I'm mixing it. You can use any kind of sharp object like safety pin, needle, whatever you want. Now it's time to mix the white color and it's done. For the wings, I'm also using ultramarine blue, sea blue and white. And for mixing the color, I'm going to use a earbud. If you get bubbles with the color, just grab a earbud and fix it. For the tree branch, I'm using brown color. You can also use green color if you want to. And for the fruits, I'm using red color and a little bit of orange color to make it look more vibrant. To shade the leaves, I'm using ultramarine blue, crystal green, and golden yellow. For the beak, I'm using tomato red. For the tail, I'm using sea blue and ultramarine blue. And for the body, I'm using tomato red. Pink, and a little bit of white to shade it. And it's almost done, and I'm going to leave it for 24 hours. After trying it up, I'm peeling off the sellotapes, and now I'm going to turn it for you guys. See? With the help of this sellotape, I have framed it, and now it's looking perfect. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.